Welcome to the Healthy Treatments channel, your path to health. Hi there. Ever wondered what would happen if you made elderberry juice a part of your daily routine? While many people know elderberries for their immune-boosting benefits during cold season, they actually offer so much more. Regularly drinking elderberry juice can help with weight loss, improve gut health, boost metabolism, and even keep your skin looking youthful. Let's explore 6 amazing benefits of drinking elderberry juice every day. First off, elderberry juice can help your body burn fat more effectively. It enhances fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down fat for energy. This is especially true after meals and during exercise. So whether you're hitting the gym or just going about your day, elderberry juice can help turn that fat into fuel naturally. Next up is gut health. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and elderberry juice works wonders here. It nourishes beneficial bacteria while reducing harmful ones, creating a balanced microbiome. Think of elderberries as a prebiotic superfood that improves digestion and boosts immunity, making you feel great inside and out. If you often experience sugar crashes or cravings, elderberry juice might be your secret weapon. Studies have shown that after just 1 week of daily consumption, blood sugar levels can drop by 24%, and insulin levels can improve by 9%. This means you'll enjoy steadier energy levels and fewer cravings. Goodbye sugar roller coaster, and hello balance. Elderberry juice also acts as a natural metabolism booster thanks to its rich anthocyanin content. These compounds not only fight inflammation but also help your body use energy more efficiently. As a result, you'll feel more energized and balanced throughout the day. Moreover, elderberries are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals and slow down aging. This means sharper memory and youthful skin. Elderberries support brain health and may reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's while keeping your skin smooth and radiant. Finally, let's talk about heart health. Elderberry juice supports cardiovascular wellness by improving blood flow, lowering LDL cholesterol levels, and even reducing blood pressure over time. These effects contribute to a healthier heart. Now that you know about these incredible benefits, let me recommend 2 delicious recipes to easily incorporate elderberry juice into your daily routine. First up is a gut-boosting smoothie that's not only tasty, but also packed with probiotics and antioxidants. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of elderberry juice, 1 ripe banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and if you like it sweet, add a teaspoon of honey. To prepare this smoothie, just blend together the elderberry juice, banana, Greek yogurt, and honey. Pour it into a glass and enjoy this delicious drink that will nourish your gut. Next is a metabolism-boosting tea that's perfect for warming up while giving your metabolism a kick. For this tea, gather 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of elderberry juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. To make it, start by steeping the grated ginger and cinnamon in hot water for about 5 minutes. After steeping, stir in the elderberry juice. Sip and savor its warming, metabolism-boosting goodness. A few tips to keep in mind. Stick to about 12 ounces of elderberry juice daily for maximum benefits. Feel free to split it into morning and evening servings. Always use commercially prepared elderberry juice since raw elderberries can be toxic if not processed correctly. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing any chronic conditions, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting. In summary, drinking elderberry juice isn't just about boosting immunity. It's a powerhouse for gut health, metabolism, and overall wellness. Making it part of your daily routine could be a simple yet transformative step toward better health. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to Healthy Treatments channel for more natural health tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves natural remedies and comment below. We'd also love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to use elderberries? Thank you for watching, and remember, your path to health is just 1 step away.